The Appeal Court Port Harcourt Division has an update regarding the removal of the former Speaker Martin Amewule and 26 others. The three-man panel led by Justice Jimmy Olu Kayode Bada reserved judgment on the removal of the Amewule and 26 others from the Rivers State House of Assembly. Olu Kayode Bada said a date for judgment will be communicated to the parties in the suit, including Victor Okojumbo-led lawmakers in the State Assembly. The Appeal Court's Port Harcourt Division, of course, reserved the judgment, removing former Speaker Martin Amewule and others. The case is being Amewule and 26 others for allegedly defecting from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressives Congress (APC) and the Victor Okojumbo-led lawmakers in Rivers State Assembly. The Court of Appeal gave the verdict via Zoom on Thursday, June 20th. According to The Nation, the appeal was brought against the judgments of the State High Court. Amewule and others are asking the court to stay the execution of a High Court judgment which saw them out of office. The lawmakers lawyer to the FCT Minister Nyesom Wike also asked that whatever decisions Jumbo has taken while in office should be set aside. Channels Television reports. They argue that the order made by the trial court was without jurisdiction and also asked for an accelerated hearing in the matter. The three-man panel led by Justice Jimmy Olu Kayode Bada reserved a date for judgment to be communicated to parties in the suit. Okay. Dagogo Israel Iburoma, the Rivers State Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General, said the court only dismissed the case for lack of local standing. However, the court earlier ruled that the state government could not present evidence that the lawmakers left the PDP for the APC as claimed in the suit. Okay, oh, these guys are still dancing around. Like I said in Kano's case, the emirship in Kano, the law is there. It has been like this, it has been like that, but technicality is what they use in obtaining most of the things that are even glaring, even to if ordinary Nigerians or ordinary people on the street do not even understand law, at least those who understand law, who are inclined with the law, who are learned colleagues of theirs, always come to say, no, this judgment that you are giving is not right, this is not how it ought to be. But will they listen? Okay, let them reserve the judgment. The whole world is looking. This is a clear case. It will reveal the integrity of the judges or expose their corruptness, their corruption. The judges' names are at stake. The questions that has refused to leave my brain is, who is the incumbent governor of Rivers State, Wike or Fubara? It is imperative that this question is given a deserving answer, because Wike's arrogance and rascality has made nonsense of our electoral process. An indictment on INEC that the elections conducted by this body are nothing but a ruse. If Wike has the audacity to openly confess that he put Fubara on that seat, it's obviously negated the transparency of the ward election. The governor should organize their recall immediately by their constituents. These guys are already former lawmakers in Rivers State. Please advise them to quit in peace and come back on another chance. This one is case closed. Just like what these people are experiencing. What's their name? This local government chairman. Just the way they are what they are experiencing is what these people will experience, because people are waiting that this cannot stand. You cannot come and dance naked and come back and be telling us a cock and bull story that you want to cover yourself. It's not done. I'm sure some people are still on the matter because there's affidavit to that they have defected. All those BS that the judge was talking about, that there's no evidence, their names are not on the register of APC and all of those stuff. People say they don't buy to that. A lot of lawyers have come out. We are not the ones saying it. Those who know the law too say that this is not the way it ought to go. They have turned everything upside down, and you want the country to move forward. Then you can just imagine what happened during the presidential election and all the court proceedings as at that time. Please advise them to quit in peace and come back another time. Honestly, I regret myself being called a Nigerian. This is a country where all manners of nonsense, goes. What does it take the so-called appeal court to take judgment? Why is the appeal court giving room for the highest bidder? I can see that this country is under curse. And this is why I believe that dividing it will be the best way forward. Nigeria is not causal, but those in position of authority are the stumbling blocks. Just like the Bible says that everything God created is good, but human beings are the ones who are making them look bad. Just like this person said, Nigeria is not a cursed country, but some people have yielded themselves for the devil to use, and that is the problem we have even as a people today. Someone shouldn't even trust judiciary in this country, because they are the problem we have. Politicians are corrupted, all of them with money. Let this judgment not be like the Presidential Election Tribunal judgment, where they came out and read what were written down for them to read, or the so-called president's mediation report read to please Wike during their meeting with Fubara. Fubara go hear am and nothing go happen. You can imagine how empty you are. From all indications, you have lost all sense of rational thinking, reasoning, and cerebral judgment. Just like I said one time, that this same set of people of Wike, the Wike supporters, they are like, oh yes, when they said they defeated, they were bugaing. They were saying, yes, it is good, they can leave, they can this and that. The same people now are not saying that they didn't defect, or that their names are not on the register of APC. This country, some people now say, when some people are just tired, they will just like, oh, it is God that will help us. What cannot happen, what God cannot do, does not exist in Nigeria. Oh my goodness. Yes. What God cannot do does not exist in Nigeria. Nigeria for sure. Some people will not tell you that in Nigeria we hate it. When things don't tire you, you don't even know how to think about it. You say Nigeria we hate it. So what you are telling us is that Tinubu did not even win the election, but rigged himself into office. One eye on the judiciary, who have so much compromised justice in Nigeria. Otherwise, this case is clear even to an infant that these wicked stooges have sold their positions until the judiciary becomes really independent of the presidential executives, until the judiciary toes the path of integrity. Our democracy has gone awry. It is clear Tinubu is towing the path of Buhari, and that spells doom for Nigeria. So guys, let's know what your opinions are, and let's have it in the comment section. Thank you.